Hello friends, today we will study about models. Models are very important for spoken English and grammar English, for grammatical errors. Okay, you know that models are actually auxiliary verb and need main verbs to form sentence. Okay, when we talk about the number of models, then we find that there are 13 models. They are can, could, may, might, should, must, ought to, shall, will, would, used to, need, and dare. Okay, friends, I have grouped that like can and could, may and might, shall, must, ought to, shall, will, would, used to, need, and dare. Okay, when we come to the uses of models, then we find that first we should know how we form sentence with the help of models. Now when we use models in the sentence, then we use subject plus models plus v1 plus object. Okay, when you do negative sentence, then subject plus models use not plus v1 plus object. Okay, now study one by one. Okay, first model is can. You know, can is used in present tense. Can denotes us power, ability, and capability. Okay, can is also used to grant permission. It also express habit and nature. And when you show your confidence, you use can. Okay, for example, I can speak English. This shows ability, so you use can. Okay, you can go now. This shows permission. Okay, and a liar can deceive anyone. This shows habit and nature. Friend, you must remember that can is especially used to show power, ability, and capability in present tense, when in present condition. Okay, sometime you can use can to grant permission, not to seek permission. It also shows habit and nature, and when you use your confidence to execute anything, use can. Okay, our next model is could. Okay, could is actually the past tense of can. Okay, and it is also used for showing power, ability, and capability. Okay, could is also used to show polite request, sometime permission. Okay, and unreal condition. Just learn with the help of example, like he could complete his homework. Okay, when it shows that it is in past. Okay, could you sit down please? It shows polite request or general permission. Okay, so when you show your ability in past, use could. Okay, and in the same way, like subject plus models plus v1 plus object. Okay, after that our third model is may. Okay, may is used to show possibility. Possibility mean that can happen or may not happen. Okay, for showing permission mean taking and granting and okay seeking permission. May shows desire, may shows wish, pray, uncertainty, and purpose. Okay, for example, when may shows possibility like it may rain today. Okay, this shows that it may rain or may not. Okay, for permission, like you may go now. Okay, for granting and seeking. Okay, may you live long. This shows wish. Okay, or pray. For uncertainty, we also use he may be there. He may be there. And for purpose, okay, purpose like we eat so that we may live. We eat so that we may live. Okay, Fourth model is might. You know, might is the past form of me. Okay, might is the past form of me. Might is also used to show possibility in past. Okay, polite request and permission. For permission, there are three models: can, could, may, along with might. But you know, may is universal, can is also only for granting permission, and might is informal in polite request and permission. Friends, we will only study 4 model a day, okay, and rest of the model I will teach you in part wise. This is my first part, and I hope that you understood what I try to make you understand. Okay, next model I will taught you in the part 2 and part 3. Friends, if you have any doubt or any queries, please comment me in my comment box. Thank you very much.